Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love sneakers as much as I do, then you're going to enjoy today's unboxing because we're checking out the Air Jordan 4 Retro White Thunder. This sneaker has been highly anticipated, and I'm so excited to finally have it in hand. Before we even get to the shoes, let's appreciate the box. Jordan Brand never disappoints when it comes to presentation. The box features the classic black design with the iconic Jumpman logo in red, giving it that premium, timeless look. It's always exciting opening a Jordan box because you know something special is waiting inside. Now, let's lift the lid. The sneakers come wrapped in crisp tissue paper, building up the anticipation. And as I pull them out, wow, the Air Jordan 4 Retro White Thunder instantly makes a statement. The contrast of black and white is absolutely stunning. My first impression? Clean, bold, and powerful. The White Thunder doesn't rely on flashy colors, but instead uses a simple high-contrast design that demands attention. It's minimal yet impactful, which is a rare balance to achieve. Taking a closer look at the upper, the entire shoe is covered in black nubuck. The material feels soft to the touch, giving the sneaker a luxurious feel. The smooth finish makes the white accents pop even more, highlighting the Jordan 4's iconic features. The white eyelets and netting panels are what give this shoe its White Thunder identity. They stand out sharply against the dark base, drawing your attention to the Jordan 4's signature design elements. It's this careful use of contrast that makes the sneaker so appealing. Moving down to the midsole, we see more of that black and white theme. The white sections break up the all-black upper perfectly, giving the shoe balance. It's a design that looks good both up close and from a distance. The outsole stays true to Jordan Brand's reliable formula. Durable rubber, traction patterns for grip, and a mix of black and white details that not only perform well but also look great. It's built for performance, but let's be honest, most people will want to keep these fresh for lifestyle wear. One of the best things about this colorway is how versatile it is. You can rock it with jeans, cargo pants, or joggers, and it'll still look sharp. The black and white palette makes it easy to pair with almost any outfit, whether you're going casual or streetwear inspired. The Jordan 4 has always been one of the most beloved silhouettes in sneaker culture. It's a design rooted in Michael Jordan's legacy, and every new colorway adds something fresh to its history. The White Thunder continues that tradition by keeping things simple but impactful. Quality-wise, this pair does not disappoint. The nubuck feels premium, the stitching is clean, and the finishing is on point. Sometimes retro releases can be hit or miss with craftsmanship, but the White Thunder feels solid and well made. So, what's my final verdict on the Air Jordan 4 Retro White Thunder? Honestly, this is one of the cleanest releases of the year. It's versatile, stylish, and backed by the legacy of one of the most iconic silhouettes in sneaker history. If you're a Jordan fan, this is a must-have. I'm going to talk about a website that's been getting a lot of attention lately, panthabuy.com. If you're looking for affordable sneakers, apparel, and accessories with amazing discounts and deals, then keep watching because panthabuy.com might be exactly what you're searching for. So what is panthabuy.com? It's an online shopping platform that offers a wide range of products, from sneakers to casual wear and sports gear. The reason panthabuy.com is on top right now is because of its unbeatable combination of quality, affordability, and customer-friendly policies. One of the biggest highlights of panthabuy.com is their registration bonus. As soon as you sign up, they give you a $300 coupon to use toward your orders. And it doesn't stop there. You also get 3 free products, where you only need to pay for shipping. That means new customers can try panthabuy.com without any big risk, and that's a huge win. The design of the panthabuy.com website is clean, simple, and easy to navigate. You can quickly browse through sneakers, apparel, and accessories, and the checkout process is smooth and secure. Even if it's your first time shopping online, panthabuy.com makes it straightforward. Panthabuy.com is known for having something for everyone. Whether you're a sneakerhead, into casual streetwear, or need sports gear, you'll find it here. And what makes them stand out is their attention to quality control. They ensure that products meet high standards before shipping to customers. Another strong point of panthabuy.com is customer support. Their team is responsive and helpful when it comes to order tracking, product details, or after-sales service. Plus, their shipping is reliable and comes with tracking, so you always know where your package is. What really makes pantherbuy.com special is their pricing. Compared to regular retail stores, pantherbuy.com is much more affordable. When you add in the $300 coupon, free products, and discounts, you're getting premium styles without paying premium prices. So overall, pantherbuy.com is definitely one of the top websites for anyone looking for sneakers, fashion, or accessories at budget-friendly prices. With their sign-up bonus, free product offers, and reliable service, it's no surprise this website is getting so much attention. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more shopping guides and reviews. And let me know in the comments, have you tried pantherbuy.com yet? Or are you planning to check it out soon?